Enrique, nasa tapat ko, and alam mo yung mga sulyap-sulyap, you're looking at this guy, is like, gusto mo yung girlfriend, ano? But yung parang tinatansya mo pa, and then he's looking at me na parang, ang swerte mo talaga, swerte mo, mahal ka niya. So it was really sobrang simple lang ng eksena, pero ang dami nangyayari, ang dami nangyayari. It was very tense, lalo na sa aming tatlo, na wala namang kaalam-alam yung mga kasama namin, yung buong pamilya namin. But, yun, sana po abangan niyo yun.
Ayun, thank you so much. Next, Ning Buning. Ayan. The question, ito tayo.
Which one?
Hello, I'm Ning.
Ayan, go Ate Ning.
Since pinag-uusapan na rin naman natin yung mga scenes na favorite niyo, may follow-up question ako doon na parang ano yung difficult naman, without spoiling anything, yung difficult scene to execute para sa inyo, which,
Ako lahat ng scenes kahapon. Huwag na lang natin kwento. Basta lahat, hindi ko pa po kasi
so near ending yun, kasi
na-experience. So, syempre I had to create it in my mind, like ano naman yung nangyayari. And you have to be careful kasi with those kind of scenes also. Basta, you'll watch it.
How about Ken?
Ako, almost lahat naman eh. Kasi they really wanted to change me. When he started something, he wanted a different Enrique. Something that you've never seen sa akin before. There's even dun sa script, there's some words na binigay na hindi ko nga pwede sabihin. As in, yung character ni Ethan. So they really wanted to change me. More mature. Basta yung hindi yung makulit, yung magalaw, they wanted to be stiff. Enrique, it was just hard for me to, to be, sabi direct, alam mo, kiti-kiti ka na naman. Oh, Ethan na, Ethan. So, laging nakabantay si Direk. So, it was a challenge for me. Something I'm not used to kasi. Yeah, but yun. Thanks.
How about Ken?
Yung pinakamahirap para sa akin, honestly, yung natutulog po ako sa hospital. Sobrang seryoso ako, kahit talagang pa sila. Hate ko yung scenes na yun kasi andun na ako, nakahiga ako dun for 1 hour, mag-change ang setup ako. Dito naman yung camera, andun pa rin ako, nag-hintay. Tapos yung wala naman ako ginagawa. Tapos naiingit ako kasi ang ganda ng mga eksena. Tapos minsan, during the take, nakadilat ako ng slide para punurin sila, gano'n. Honestly, yun yung pinakamahirap para sa akin. Siyempre, nagigigil ako kasi gusto ko gumalaw. May ADHD pa naman ako, so magalaw ako eh. So yun po yung pinakamahirap para sa akin.
May moment ba na nakatulog ka talaga? Talaga nakatulog siya. Cut na, Gerald.
Hindi, justify ko naman yun. Meron naman talaga ako, nakatulog talaga ako. Dahil galing naman din ako taping ng Nathaniel. Tapos dumiretso pa ako dito. So buti na lang ganyan yung eksena kasi tulog talaga ako. Pero nung nagising ako, yun pa rin yung eksena ko. Tihiga na naman ako. So yun yung pinakamahirap para sa akin.
Ako, Direk May, sa point of view niyo po as a director, ano po yung mahirap i-shoot, i-execute na?
Mahirap itawid.
Yes.
Mahirap itawid. Mahirap actually, yung timpla talaga ng film. I mean, in general, lahat ng scenes. Of course, kasi this is not my normal genre. Rom-com madalas ginagawa ko. So light and gano'n. Ito kasi it's rom-dram. So, yung timpla ng not to go too heavy, not to go too light, and at the same time, yung pagiging real ng characters nila. For Enrique, the challenge was, yun na nga, alam na natin, isa siyang kiti-kiti. Kahit tahimik lang siya na scene, yung ulo niya parang hindi niya makakontrol ko. Gano'n. Parang, stop it, you have that involuntary bobbing of your hair. Gano'n siya talaga. Kahit si Hope, given ang complex yung pinagdadaanan niya dito. And we know naman how old she is lang and that she hasn't experienced anything like it. So to draw those emotions from her and to also for her to be able to convey those emotions, yun, challenge din yun. For Je, it's to differentiate him. Kasi, di ba, I mean, he's coming from Nathaniel, he's coming from a lot of projects. We worked together, and iba yung characters na nagawa niya with me. So, it's also a challenge, how do I differentiate him? So, each scene, individually, and together, ano siya talaga,